Do you know why your stomach sometimes makes funny rumbling noises? Is your stomach talking to you? Not exactly, but it's got something to say. The noise comes from your stomach and intestines working together, like a tiny band. When your stomach is empty, it squeezes and pushes air around, making silly sounds. Sometimes the rumbles sound so wild, they could be mistaken for a hungry monster. Next time you hear a belly rumble, remember, it's just your body's way of saying, "Hey, I'm working hard down here." And if someone asks, you can say, "My stomach's got talent."